This video is about the Nazi concentration camp Dachau. The Ausländer. Dachau is located 30 minutes outside of Munich in the German state of Bavaria. Make no mistake, there is absolutely nothing positive about Dachau. Dachau was the first Nazi concentration camp. It was built in 1933 and was the prototype for other death camps like Auschwitz Birkenau and Bergen-Belsen. To get in is free, but you can also hire a tour guide. I'll put the link at the bottom. Out of respect, I didn't take any pictures of the exhibits. They are extremely raw and graphic. Nothing is held back in many of these exhibits. They show the torture methods, the mass execution, and they also have pictures of the victims in really bad circumstances. The area that impacts you the most was the crematorium and the gas chamber room. As you go into the crematorium, you see these huge ovens used to burn the dead bodies. In the gas chamber room, I could only imagine the thousands of people screaming as they would be gassed to death. After visiting Dachau, it really makes you think life isn't fair. Let's remember the victims and hope this never happens again.